In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos with Perplexity. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a photo, describe the edits you want, and submit your requests so Perplexity can handle the heavy lifting for you. First, open a modern web browser and go to the Perplexity website. You can do this on desktop or mobile, though a larger screen makes it easier to review details. Before you begin, make sure you have the photo you want to edit saved somewhere easy to find and that you have the right to edit it. A quick tip: high-quality source images usually lead to better-looking results, so start with the clearest version you have. Once the page loads, look for the plus icon next to the message area. Click it, then choose Upload Files or Images. Your file picker will open. Select the photo you want to edit and confirm. Common formats like JPG and PNG generally work well, and keeping the file size reasonable helps the upload go smoothly. If your browser asks for permission to access local files, allow it so the upload can proceed. With your image attached, move to the prompt box and type what you want changed. The more specific you are, the better. Mention the subject, the exact adjustments, and any boundaries you want respected. For example, you could say, brighten the overall exposure, reduce noise, and keep skin tones natural. Or, remove the background, replace it with a clean white backdrop, preserve realistic shadows, and don't alter the product color. If you're aiming for a style, name it clearly, like natural, true-to-life color, warm cinematic tones, or magazine-style skin retouching without blurring texture. You can also guide intensity with phrases such as subtle, moderate, or strong, and call out areas to protect, like don't change the sky or keep the eyes sharp. When your prompt feels clear, click Submit. Perplexity will process your request and generate results based on your instructions. Take a moment to review what it returns. If something looks off, maybe the image is a little too bright, or the background looks flatter than you wanted, refine your prompt by clarifying the issue and submit again. Small, focused adjustments often deliver the cleanest outcome. Think of it like a conversation. Describe, review, then fine-tune. That's all there is to it. Head to Perplexity, upload your image through the plus menu, describe the edits with a clear, specific prompt, and submit. Keep your original files backed up, be mindful of privacy when working with personal photos, and iterate on your wording until the result matches your vision. With a bit of practice, you'll be turning around polished edits in minutes.